This morning, Trump voters in Florida celebrating, dancing in the streets of Miami's Little Havana.
Donald Trump's, the values he stands for me, it's the same values I share.
Donald Trump has a special touch. He's got something. He's amazing.
Overnight, the president himself reveling in his win.
Florida was a tremendous victory.
Miami-Dade County key to Trump's Florida victory. It's home to a large number of conservative Latinos, unique in the state and country.
You know, Miami is, some would say, is Hong Kong, right? The rest of Florida is sort of, is kind of connected. Miami's its own thing. It's its own entity.
Good to go down as one of the most progressive presidents in American history.
A flood of political ads tying Biden to socialists struck fear in many Miami-Dade Latinos who'd escaped communist regimes in Cuba and Venezuela.
People that, like me, that was born under a socialist regime, we don't want that happening in the United States.
And though the Biden campaign outspent Trump in Spanish-language ads, they came too late, according to one Democratic advisor, helping get out the Latino vote. To Cuban Americans, Venezuelan Americans, socialism is like kryptonite. Did the Biden campaign miss that?
I don't think they missed it. I think they missed the opportunity of starting earlier to combat that.
The upset catching the Biden campaign off guard.
Everybody knew that Florida was going to be the problem child.
The Latino vote also strong in other states like Texas, which stayed red, and New Mexico, which went for Biden.
It just shows state by state, population by population, the Latino vote couldn't be more different.
Back in Florida, some Biden supporters on social media ready to cut the whole state loose. A lesson for politicians that, at your own peril, misunderstanding a group can cost you.